What's up, Narayan? How are you doing? Today is spring. It is April 15 and it is snowing on the ground. It finished snowing because the day is coming out and the sun hasn't rose yet. I think it's because the cloud is covering it. But there is a lot of snow that is snowed in the morning, like when it is cold. There is no sun in the night, so it is snowed and I'm gonna clean it in the car. So this is my cousin's car and there's a lot of snow in the back, in the front, and I'm gonna clean it. And look at them trees. It is snowing, and let me just take a thumbnail picture right here, and that will be the thumbnail picture, I think. So let me just clean this car right now, and let me get my broom out. And this is my broom, by the way, to clean the car. And I think it's not sticky, the snow. I think it's soft and it just comes out like that. And I'm just gonna clean it. I'm holding the iPad with one hand to record, and let me just clean it. This is satisfying. Look at that. Okay, let me just clean this first. And let me clean the window as well. Go boom, go boom. And this is hard cleaning with one hand. Okay, there you go. And push that away. It is a lot of snow. They say it is like 4 inch, but it is I think it's like 2 inch, by the way, to be exact. And let me just, the snow is sticky. Okay, let me just get that out. Get that out of the way. And let me just push that boy out. Push that boy out. Push that boy out. Okay, I'm done. This snow is sticky. Well, let me just clean this window one. Clean. Oh, this is satisfying. Okay, let's clean that out of the way. Clean that out of the way. And the mirror. Clean that up. It is hard. My hand is hurting because I'm only holding with one hand and I'm cleaning. Well, let's clean the front one because this is the important, the driver, you know. So clean this as well. Clean it up. Okay, this is difficult. Clean. Okay, we are doing it, guys. Clean. Trust yourself. You can be strong. Even if you're weak, you can be strong, you know. Just gotta force. Okay, that is some motivational speech right there. Okay, clean this. Look at that. Get out of here, man. Okay, right here, one more. Get out of here. And let's clean this part as well, because there's some right there. Let me clean the top because it might fall down to the thing. And let me just clean one more of that, and I'm done. And this is the aftermath. It is cleaned. I will take a thumbnail picture again. I don't know which one will be the thumbnail picture, but yeah, this is cleaned. And from the front, let me just show you from the front. Like this is from the front. Well, let me just move back for the thumbnail picture, and that might be the thumbnail picture. Okay, I'm done with cleaning the car, guys. Boom. Let's go home. That was intense. My hand is cold and I think it's some frostbite. The broom is freezing and yeah, it is tough. This is the life of people in Michigan. It's winter in the spring and it is summer on winter. Whatever. Okay, bye guys.